Hello everyone, welcome back to BFix channel. So today we got another watch. I have provided one review for the CASIO watch. So this is also another review for a CASIO watch. So today we are going to uh, put a review for this watch. What is the specs, how it works, and the price point and the comfortness. Okay. Friends, before watching the video, please make sure to like and subscribe my video. Okay, so let's get started. Here is my friend, which I will use to open my watch. So here I received this Amazon delivery. It was like same day delivery. I will check. Whoa! So as usual, the package seems same. It's a genuine Casio as per them. I think it's a genuine Casio because it's from Amazon, and then this is from the genuine Amazon shop, Casio shop. So I'll check. It's a Japanese watch. Oh, it looks really nice though. The quality you can see. It's a gold color leather watch. Okay, so its model number 784. It's Japan made. Okay. You can wear this watch with any kind of shirts, t-shirts, or casual things. Okay, so let's see the warranty. So here you can see the warranty card and then the manual. So this watch comes with a date and time. So we'll see. Whoa, it's really gorgeous, golden, nice. Let me wear this one. I like to wear this one. The watch is so nice. I recommend you buy this one. It was really cheap. I bought it in offer from Amazon using my credit card. So my bank card has an offer. So I paid like 20% less. But usual price is around, let's say, 30 $35, which is really cheap. I guess not 20 $25, I think. Oh, okay. So it has a poly cover over it. Okay, so here it's written, it's basically 1 to 12 digits and has like 60 minutes, and then there's the date, and it's already, the watch is already running. So how can I stop this one? Let's see. Not really, there is no way to stop. Okay, so as before, it has a half movement and then full level and half level of this crown. Okay, so I do this, and what happened? Let's see. Date changes? No, nothing changes. That means it is not this one. Oh, so there is a click. So and now it's works. Let's adjust the time. So now it is 2:30. Okay, so we'll set 2:30. Let's set 2:30. 2 and 30. Okay, fantastic. Now we'll adjust the date. How do we adjust the date really? I don't know. I'll figure out. No. Yep, that is supposed to work, no? But seems like that one is not working. Okay, so another circle. Oh, then another circle. No. Do I need to watch? I hate this. You see this reading manual, but probably this is the first time I have to watch the manual. But before that, let me just try a little bit Okay, not working, not working. Hmm. Hmm. So that's what it is. See? So this is half level. This is a little bit hard, but it works. It's half level. So you need to align your movement with it. Here. Now it's ready. Let me wear this watch and see how it goes. I think I already like this watch. Probably I'll start wearing this one soon. This is a nice looking watch. See? Yep. And it's I forgot. Yes, it is water resistant, but it is not like um 50-30 water resistant or like the previous watch that I have reviewed. It's just water resistant, so probably normal sweat and then the rain, like drizzle kind of rain, kind of. Okay, so it will survive. Other than that, you don't expect too much. Okay, so it's run on battery, so you need to change battery for sure whenever your watch run, but it looks nice. Okay, so I think that's it. It's a very cheap Casio watch made in Japan, water resistant in date and time, which is really good. So to get more such kind of review and video, please subscribe. Bye bye, take care.